Happy Mai Tai week, everyone. Remember, no matter where you are in the world or when you are actually watching this, it's always Mai Tai week in our hearts, but technically speaking, Mai Tai week is the official holiday of the week leading up to August 30th, which is the official Mai Tai Day as proclaimed by the city of Oakland, California, which makes Mai Tai Day an official holiday, not made up online calendar marketing brand bullshit. So this year we start off with a riff. This is the Tia Mia from Ivy Mix. This Mai Tai riff varies from the original because instead of splitting the spirit into a couple of rums, we'll be using rum and mezcal for this one. And somehow this is a drink that I've just never had. Now, there are a few slight variations to this recipe you'll find online, but the one today comes directly from the Spirits of Latin America book. The official recipe calls for a toasted almond orgeat, and the orgeat I make does not have any of those roasted, toasted, rich almond flavors, so I'll be using the orgeat from Liber & Co. today. And while Liber & Co. is sponsoring this episode, this orgeat is great, and the reason I like it and I always keep it on hand is because it is much different than the one I use. Mine is a little cleaner, it's clarified, it's sharp, but the Liber version is intense and rich. And I think having those polar opposites that still taste great, it's smart to have some versatility in your cocktails. So whether you're looking to celebrate all things Mai Tai or you just need a whole host of other syrups, check out the link in the description to pick up some Liber syrups. And I want to reiterate here that back in April of 2023, I did a video making orgeat and comparing it to store-bought brands. And I believe that I said that this orgeat was hands down the best commercially available orgeat you could buy. And that was a couple years before they ever reached out to me, so kind of take that for what you will. Outside of our orgeat, you will need the basics like some lime juice and some orange curaçao, and then we need some rum and some mezcal, of course. There are also some recipes online that I've seen that play with the ratios and use a simple syrup, but not the version that's in the book. So that's the one that we're going to be following. So let's make the Tia Mia. Start with 3/4 ounces of lime juice, half an ounce of orgeat, half an ounce of dry curaçao, 1 ounce of an aged Jamaican rum, and then 1 ounce of mezcal. I'm going to garnish this with some mint, a lime wheel, and a flower. So there you go, the Tia Mia. All right, let's try it. Cheers. The mezcal dominates up front, but it has a nice charred tropical fruitiness like pineapple, that sort of smokiness I don't always love in a cocktail. But when you're splitting it with another rum here, something that has some tropical fruitiness as well, and some age to it, you get it's nicely well-rounded. It still has the DNA of a Mai Tai, yet so different and so unique. And the mezcal does not overwhelm. Now, if you're someone who really does not like mezcal, but you want to experience this, then maybe just do like half an ounce instead of the full ounce. I mean, I'd encourage you to try it, but if you're very skeptical, you can always start there. But I find this to be just the right amount of that charred, smoky, earthy brininess to complement a Mai Tai. I pretty much always use a full ounce of lime juice in a Mai Tai, but I don't find this lacking for acidity using 3/4 ounce. I think it goes back to the mezcal, just having that another like bold, intense flavor in there. You don't really need the sharper acidity. I find it plenty sharp and acidic as it is. Overall, just an excellent cocktail. This is probably, I don't know if it's like the third, fourth, or fifth of Ivy Mix's cocktails I've shared here. Everyone I've loved. So look those up if you're interested in more drinks. They're gonna be different than this, but each time I try one of her drinks, they're outstanding. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you want to support this channel more, go check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one.